Get ready to experience the juicy, sweet taste of fresh oranges straight from your backyard. Growing an orange tree is not only delicious, but it's also a fun and rewarding project for anyone who loves gardening. With a little patience, care, and know-how, you'll be on your way to harvesting your very own oranges. So, let's get started and turn your backyard into a citrus oasis with a step-by-step guide. Orange, you glad you clicked on this video? Choose a location. Orange trees need full sun, so choose a location that receives at least 8 hours of direct sunlight per day. The soil should also be well draining, with a pH between 6 and 7. If you live in a colder climate, choose a location that provides protection from frost. Obtain a tree. You can purchase a young orange tree from a nursery or grow one from seed. If you choose to grow from seed, it will take longer for the tree to mature and start producing fruit. It's important to choose a variety that is suitable for your climate and soil conditions. Plant the tree. Plant the tree in the hole you've prepared, making sure the root ball is level with the soil surface. Backfill with soil and tamp down gently to remove any air pockets. Water the tree thoroughly to help settle the soil. Watering and fertilizing. Orange trees need consistent moisture, especially during the first year after planting. Water the tree deeply once or twice a week, depending on the weather. Fertilize the tree with a balanced fertilizer, following the package instructions for application. Orange trees also benefit from regular applications of mulch to retain moisture and suppress weed growth. Prune and train. Prune the tree to shape it and remove any damaged or diseased branches. Train the tree to grow in a specific direction. This will help to develop a strong structure and promote fruiting. Orange trees should be pruned during the dormant season, typically between late winter and early spring. Protect from pests and disease. Orange trees can be susceptible to pests and diseases, so it's important to keep an eye out for any signs of infestation or illness. Use organic pest control methods, like neem oil, to keep pests at bay. Regularly inspect the tree for signs of pests or disease, such as yellowing leaves or small holes in the fruit. Harvesting. Orange trees typically take several years to start producing fruit. Once the tree starts producing oranges, wait until they are fully ripe before harvesting. This will ensure the best flavor and maximum sweetness. Ripe oranges will be deep orange in color and slightly soft to the touch. Maintaining. Orange trees need consistent care to produce fruit year after year. Keep up with regular watering and fertilizing, prune and train as needed, and monitor for pests and disease. Maintaining the overall health of the tree is crucial for it to produce fruit year after year. Regularly check for pests and diseases, and address them promptly. Also, keep in mind that orange trees require a certain amount of hours of chilling during winter to set fruit properly. This is something to consider when choosing a variety and a location. In summary, growing an orange tree requires proper location, variety selection, planting, watering, fertilizing, pruning, protecting from pests and disease, harvesting at the right time, and regular maintenance. By following these steps, you can enjoy the fruits of your labor and have fresh oranges from your own tree. Remember, orange trees require full sun, well-draining soil, consistent moisture, and protection from frost. And also, it is important to choose a variety that is suitable for your climate and soil conditions, and also maintain the overall health of the tree to produce fruit year after year.